Most people over the age of 35 watching this video have been trying to make money online for at least a year, probably 2 or 3. And you're probably starting to wonder if this is actually for you or if this is possible. This isn't a motivational video. Let me stop you right there. I'm not going to tell you that you can do it, but what I am going to tell you is why you haven't. And usually there are 4 reasons. The 4th one is the one most people will recognize in themselves, and I'll tell you what it is when we get there. But first, I need to tell you why this keeps happening to people our age. Look at the advice that you've been following. Post 5 times a day, build in public, start a podcast, go viral first, follow your passion. I'm sure you've heard all of these at least once in the last week. All of that advice is built for 20-year-olds with no kids, no job, and no mortgage. 20-year-olds have 50 hours a week to put into this, and you probably only have 5, maybe 10 if you're lucky and if you work from home. Here's the other thing. When a 20-year-old tries something and fails, they lose nothing. They don't have any skin in the game. They have 30 years to be wrong. But when you try something and fails, it feels existential. It feels like a crisis. And it isn't, I'll come back to that. And it isn't, but I'll come back to that. But the cost of being wrong feels huge. And so you are paralyzed. You just don't start. That mismatch is the real problem. It isn't you. It's that the playbook has been written for someone else. And reason 1 simply is overthinking, right? You've been researching for 6 months, probably longer. You know what a lead magnet is. You know the difference between a tripwire and a core offer. You watched 3 courses, and some of them you've watched multiple times. You still haven't shipped anything. A 22-year-old would have thrown a bad PDF on Gumroad in less than a week, probably a weekend. They would have sold 3 copies, learned what they did wrong, and then fixed it. But you're still reading and researching. The reason you're still reading is because you think wrong is going to cost you time and money. But it isn't. The cost of being wrong about one $19 PDF in one weekend is your life. That's it. Nobody else is going to see it. Nobody else is going to remember. Here's the fix. Pick the smallest possible version of the thing you're thinking about. Not the right version. And that's the key. Not the right version. The smallest. Build it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then start selling it as soon as Monday. And if it doesn't work, you're just out a weekend and not a year. And that's reason 1. Reason 2 is the wrong playbook. Earlier, I listed advice you've been following. Post 5 times a day, build in public, go viral. I want to be specific about why each one of these is wrong for you. Post 5 times a day. Okay, but when are you going to do that? You have 5 hours a week, right? Between your kids' soccer practice, cooking dinner, working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. Build in public. That assumes people are already watching, but most likely they're not. You're not building in public. You're building in empty with nobody listening. Start a podcast. Podcasts take at least 2 years to compound. You don't have 2 years to wait for a single dollar. Go viral first. I'm sure you've heard that multiple times. Virality is a lottery ticket. The creators telling you to chase virality got viral once, 5 years ago, and now they're selling a course on how to go viral. Here's the fix. Take every piece of advice you get and filter it through one question. Does this work if I have 5 hours a week and real stakes? If the answer is no, ignore it. Doesn't matter who said it, and it doesn't matter how many followers they have. Then replace the viral first with owned income first. One $17 product that works for the audience you already have beats 90 days of posting into the void. If that's you, the fix is coming, but before I get to reason 3, really quick, there's a free 1-page worksheet for this video that walks you through the fix. It's at notes.platformproof.com. Same email unlocks every other video worksheet as well. Now on to reason 3, chasing trends. How many times have you heard chase the trend? You're chasing trends instead of building. Every 90 days, a new thing arrives. AI agents, faceless YouTube, AI narrated shorts. Remember 3 years ago, NFTs were huge. And then 5 years ago, we were talking about something called Clubhouse. A 22-year-old can chase 3 of these a year because they have 30 more years to be right or wrong. You have pivoted 4 times in the last 5 months, and that's why you haven't shipped anything. The new shiny thing is not the asset. What you already know is the asset. You just haven't written it down yet. Here's the fix. Pick one thing you already know what to do. Something you've solved for yourself. Something you figured out for your own kid or your own health or even your own business. Package it into a $17 guide and sell it. Then pick another problem you already know how to solve, not another trend, and do the same thing. Now, this is really, really important. Don't skip the something you already know part. That's the whole thing. The fix is not find a new niche. The fix is look at what you already did and what you know. Before we get into reason 4, tell me in the comments which of these is the hardest, 1, 2, or 3. Now, on to reason number 4. You're waiting until you know enough. And this is a big one that people fall into all the time. At 22, you don't know what you don't know. So you just ship stuff. You just send it out. You put the thing out and you figure out what's wrong after. And because you don't know the gaps, you don't feel bad about the gaps. At 38, you know exactly how much you know. And so you go out and you keep learning. But let me say this in another way. People who started 5 years ago at 35 are 40 now. And they're shipping, they're releasing products. People who waited until they were 35, until they knew enough, are now 40 and they still are learning. They still haven't shipped anything. The difference between the two is not knowledge. It's whether they shipped at the knowledge level they had. Here's the fix. It's really simple. Ship the version of the thing that you would have called bad 6 months ago. Do it today. Do it now. Knowing more is not going to fix this. Shipping what you know right now is the thing that fixes everything. Next month, you'll know more, and then you can come up with a version 2, 3, 4, 5. And in honesty, that's the game. All 4 reasons have one fix in common, and let me show you that fix. The fix is this. All 4 reasons collapse into the same move. Pick the one thing you already know how to do, package it as a $9 to $47 offer or product, ship it this weekend to the audience you already have. No matter how small it is. If that's 10 people, send it out to 10 people. That fixes reason 1. You built the smallest version. It fixes reason number 2. You used an owned product that works with 5 hours, that works within your time constraints. And it fixes reason number 3. You built instead of chased. And it fixes reason number 4. You shipped at the knowledge level you have today. Pick a problem, package that problem, and ship a digital product. Now, if you want help picking the one thing at the right product format for your situation, I put together a tool called Offer Engine that works you through the exact decision. It takes about, 20 minutes, but by the end, you have the one person, you have the one product, and you have the solution written down, plus a template for the product, and it's the first link in the description. So which of the 4 is you? Comment down below 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1 was overthinking. 2 was picking the wrong playbook for 20-year-olds. 3 was chasing trends. And number 4 was waiting until you knew more or the perfect time. I read and respond to every reply. If more than one is you, tell me which of these is going to fix. If you're more than just one of these, tell me which one of these you're going to fix this week. If you want the worksheet for this video, it's the first step sheet that walks you through the fix. It's at notes.platformproof.com. One email unlocks the entire library, all of my videos and worksheets for everyone. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.